Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how I restored the top edge of the passenger side door on my little Spitfire. It was completely rotten where the rubber runs across the edge and leans up against the inside window. It had actually had quite a few holes in and there was no structural integrity. Now it's been replaced with a shiny new bit of steel, which has been pop riveted and spot welded in place and then ground down, so when I fill it over with Bondo, hopefully it'll all blend in and it'll look as good as new. The first step was to identify how much of the top edge was really rotten, and then using a 1mm cutting disc, cut it out. Then I measured the overlap that hangs inside the door to make sure I cut the right size strip of steel. I need a 16mm plus the 11mm I cut out of the top edge, and then some overlap to go inside. So around about sort of 35mm steel strip. I've got no complicated tools here for doing much in the way of metalwork, so I had to make a jig to bend the steel. So I bent it over so it had a nice 16mm lip and is dead straight. Then I drilled the door with 7mm holes for the spot welds and 4mm holes for a few pop rivets just to hold it rigidly in place. This was then spot welded in place to make it nice and strong, both on through the spot rivet holes and also along the edge. Then it's just a case of grinding it down, and then you get a nice smooth finish, and then with all the structural integrity needed to look good when it's all ground down. Anyway, thanks for joining us. I'll speak to you again in the next video.